up, guys? Welcome back. We're starting another build. This one is not a salvage title build. It's a clean title, no accidents or anything like that. It's a 2013 Road King Police. We actually bought 4 of these. 2 we're going to fix up and 2 we're just going to sell as they are. They all have dead batteries. They've all been sitting for about a year. This one we put a jump box on. It runs fine, just like it should. It's only got like 15,000 miles on it. But this one here we're building for a friend. He wants to do it kind of a cholo style, so fishtail tailpipes and 21 bars and stuff like that. So we're just gonna try to take as much of the police off of it as we can. But it should be a pretty cool build, and it's something different that we usually don't do. But we'll go ahead and give you a walk around real quick and just show you the bike. And all these bikes have ABS and 103s to 6-speed, so that's pretty cool. Something new for me. An air tank underneath the tour pack for the seat. These have like little airbags for the seat. You can pump up and down. So we're gonna go ahead and get it pulled inside, get it tore down, and get some parts ordered for it. We're gonna do stretched rear fender, stretch bags, do it like the CVO style, like we like to do away with the windshield, apes, we'll put a different seat on it, stretch side covers, we'll do like a street glide style front fender. This fender's pretty rough, and a 21. And I think he wants to paint it kind of like the Leadfoot gray bike we did in a video a while back. So we'll go ahead and get all those parts ordered and get it over to paint. Our bike back here, and I'm sorry I didn't get the footage of me tearing it all down. Y'all have seen that before, but got all tore down. We went ahead and put this aftermarket crash bar on it. We had our apes wired and put on, and I went ahead and just set the shell up here for the headlight. Also did a rear lowering kit on it, but and polished up the motor a little bit. But we're ready to go ahead and start bolting stuff back on it and get this thing together. Oh. And here's all the stuff for it. This one, he wanted to do a tour pack and a fairing and stuff, so we did a low profile tour pack. We got a chin spoiler for the front. It's gonna go up there. We haven't done one with a chin spoiler before, so that kind of curious to see how that turns out. The CVO rear fender, I got some tape on it just to keep from scratching it when I go to put it on. Of course, our tank, and then we have an aftermarket inner and outer fairing. It's got like a stereo with a big screen that goes on here too, so that'll be pretty cool. And our stretch side covers and our fishtails too. We got these ready to go on too. So I guess we go ahead and start with the rear fender. We'll go ahead and get that put on. Alright, we'll go ahead and slide this fender in here. Damn, almost needs to be like higher. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and slide this fender up in here. Oh, maybe not. You know what? I'm going to pull the shocks loose so the rear tire hangs down. It'll make it easier. Plugged in, and then we'll snug her down. Go ahead and bolt my shocks back up.
Do you don't have a press or anything?
I have a ball joint tool. All right, we've went ahead and slid on our front fender here. Just gonna get the bolts started and snug them up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put on these saddlebag support rails real quick. And I was waiting on these so that I could put the saddlebags on and everything. They were supposed to be here like a week ago. We're ready to pop in our side covers and saddlebags. So I made a mistake. I'm not used to these 09 and up ones. This has to go on before the strut covers, so I'll have to take all that stuff apart again and put these on and then put these back on over. Lesson learned. So we struck out on our tour pack mount over here. It won't go on, the strut covers will not go on over it or underneath it. So I guess we're just gonna do without the strut covers. I don't really have a choice right now. Unless y'all have some other ideas, let us know. We'll go ahead and tighten all this stuff back up and get the saddlebags on. So we went ahead and slid our seat on and put on our inner fairing with the speakers and stuff. So I'll go ahead and pop on our tour pack. And I'm going to put on my other saddlebag because it wouldn't go through the door without it being bolted on. So we finally got this thing done, all put together, and we've never done a fairing on a Road King, but this thing turned out awesome. From going from that ragged police bike to this bike, dude, it's so cool. It's cool as heck. I can't wait to ride it. Go ahead and crank it up, and we'll take it for its main voyage.
That's a wrap on this bike. Make sure to share, like this video, tell all your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next one.